Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore 1Password access with account recovery key detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore access to your 1Password account using your account recovery key, begin by locating the recovery key. The recovery key is a 34-character code that you received when you created your account. If you cannot find your recovery key, check any secure location where you might have saved it. Once you have your recovery key handy, open the 1Password app or visit the 1Password website. Click on the option that says, I forgot my password. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your account. After entering your email address, click on Continue. You will now see an option to use your recovery key. Select this option to proceed. Enter your recovery key into the designated field. Make sure to enter it exactly as it appears, including spaces. Click on Continue after entering your recovery key. You will then be prompted to create a new account password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before for security purposes. Re-enter the password to confirm your selection. After confirming your new password, click on Continue. You should now regain access to your 1Password account. Take a moment to update your security settings if needed. Consider saving your recovery key in a more secure location for future reference. Your 1Password account is now restored and fully accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.